Come on here, little one. See, you wouldn't hurt a fly, would you?
And a 1, 2, 3. Knew him. That's gonna hurt.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing it my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain, you know.
Guys, it's your boy King J 2003 Game Master here. And today we're gonna react to Nintendo High Season 2, Episode 4, Royal Pain. And the original video is in the link description. And let's check out Royal Pain. Nintendo High Season 2. And also, you guys don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss another video.
You know, I don't think Professor Nook likes you all that much, does he? Anyway, what are you up to today?
Just hanging out with Sonic and Luigi. We're doing a video game marathon contest. And he's losing!
A Mario Party reference.
I win again! Not looking good for you guys today.
Sorry to cut this conversation short. There's a hedgehog I need to destroy. I gotta go. Love.
I remember like as a kid, you guys, I'd be playing video games with my friends, you know, we'd be like playing, even when like with my cousin and family members, we'd be playing a game and see who gonna win, who gonna lose. But it'd be all about having fun, you know. Wait, what you just said? Hold up. Let's rewind that.
I gotta go. Love you.
Oh! Don't worry, Mario. What you about to say? You about to say I love what? What you about to say?
Bye, Mario.
They great for each other. She is head over heels for Mario.
They're here. I'm coming. Huh? Oh.
Ness and Lucas.
Oh, you two are adorable. Oh, please come inside before you catch a case of the blorb.
Yeah, Ness and Lucas, you guys, from Earthbound, that video game, you guys.
You must be Ness. And
They kind of look like Baby Mario and Baby Luigi, but like in a like how they like put in the character, how they design the characters, they look like Baby Mario and Baby Luigi. But just saying, you know, in my opinion.
you must be Lucas. Welcome to my home, castle. I'm your babysitter, Peach. We're gonna have such a fun time. Are you excited?
They babies, so they probably just make like baby noises. They probably can't actually talk yet. Like talk yet.
Talkative little guys, aren't you? Well, let me show you around. I have the whole night planned for us. I set up all of my favorite games to play when I was little. Pipes and ladders, Little Mouser Trap, and then we can do a movie marathon. Some of my favorites are What'll Do Adventure, much like the movie 1 through 3. But first I have a little surprise for you both. Stay right there. I'll be right back. Huh? Huh?
They probably gonna like run around and look at the place. I ain't gonna spoil it because I watched this episode before, but for some people who didn't watch this episode before, I'm gonna let y'all find out. I ain't no spoiler, you know.
Just a little more on top. Perfect.
Good cupcakes. Peach can cook though.
A treat for my
Like that time she made a cake for Mario on Mario 64.
sweets. Huh?
I knew her.
Oh no! Where did they go? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. How did you
They playing the
get down
lights.
from there right now, young man?
That's dangerous though. Like I remember like when I was a kid, like if my older cousin babysitting me, I never like give her any problems like this. I was kind of like hyperactive as a kid, but I never do something that extreme before, that dangerous. They gonna jump.
Huh?
They got powers.
You have superpowers? Freeze, mister!
PK freeze. That was Lucas' catchphrase, PK freeze. I played Smash Bros, you guys. I know what kind of powers they have. Spoiler alert. See what I told you.
Is it happening?
Touching the ice. PK fire.
Wait, that's it? Ness, if you could use just a little more heat, I could thaw.
And Nez got PK fire. She was fried like some fried chicken.
You two are in so much trouble. No treats for you.
Oh. Yeah, I'll go that far, Peach. Princess Peach didn't go that far.
What's going on?
They were crying. Yeah.
No, calm down. It's okay. Peach is here. You're not in trouble anymore. Cupcake?
Yeah, it was just a jokey joke. It was just a joke. Oh. Okay, this. I think she needs some backup, like some help. Yeah, that's the attack.
This has gotten way too out of
Yeah,
hand.
so I'm becoming a
I
handful.
need to call for some help. Come on, come on. Pick up, pick up.
Stop spamming! You're just not a pro like me.
They playing a game. They can't hear the phone ringing.
And destroyed. I think this calls
For a victory dance. I knew it.
Oh, why isn't he answering? That's it. Ness, I'm calling your father.
They not home.
No one is available to answer your call. Please leave your message after
The parents not home.
the beep.
Where is everyone? Looks like I gotta bring in some backup.
Yeah, I think she need a little help, you guys.
Yo, girl, what's up? Daisy! Help me! You need to get here right now. It's important. Wait, what? Slow down. Babies? Powers? Hang on, I'll be right there. Hey, I'm here. Yeesh, what happened? You don't look too good. And then they shot fire out of their fingers, and the whole library burnt down, and...
Peach just kind of had it at this point. Man, as a kid, even though I was hyperactive and a knucklehead, I never, like, caused them... I never caused my parents or the babysitter this many problems. Like, I was on their best behavior, but... Yeah, sometimes I be kind of a little handful, but as I got older, I grew up and matured, you guys. But now I'm mature now though. I grew up and mature, and I didn't need a babysitter no more because I take care of myself. Like, I'm 21, going to be 22 in June 11th, so I take care of myself.
And they threw a whole table at... It's all right. Daisy's here now.
Yeah, just watching this episode, I never act like this as a kid.
Go lie down. I'll take it from here. Daisy, you don't understand. Girl, we've dealt with Bowser and Francis on a daily basis. I'm sure we can handle a couple of kids. All right, so where are the little monsters? Shh. They can hear you.
She'll find out.
In there. Oh, these are the two giving you all that trouble? Come here, babies.
Oh, they don't know her, you know. They was like, man, we don't know you. We know her, but we don't know you. Or they just probably just shy, you know. As a kid, I was a shy kid, you know. Sometimes I be shy, sometimes I don't. Yeah, I don't be acting funny or nothing. I just be a little shy sometimes.
You two are the cutest little things I've...
Electrified. And they think it's funny.
What, you little brats? Come here. You'll pay for that. Hey! How did I get up here? Hey, little guy, I didn't mean to yell at you. Just put me down and everything will be just fine.
Oh,
Daisy? Daisy!
like swing her up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down.
Peach! Do something! Ness, put her down right this instant. No, not like I think we may need some reinforcements.
Yeah,
You think?
We
Rosalie
came
and
as soon as we got
Zelda.
your message.
I called Daisy for some help, but they didn't, take a liking to her all that much. So I was hoping you two could help me out with them.
Oh, my!
Oh, what happened here?
What do you think? It was those little nightmare children.
They did this? I refuse to believe such innocent eyes can cause that much damage.
she sounds so proper though. I refuse to believe such damage like this. Yeah. Yeah, I'm about to say Rosalie. I mean, Zelda seemed like a nice girl though. And patient too though.
Oh, this wasn't from Daisy. She is a reckless soccer.
Yeah, and like that was some people are, they don't want to believe it or probably be so optimistic, like in and out about it.
player.
Well, maybe I'll use your head for practice then. Please, let's stay.
Okay, guys, chill. Like, relax. Enough fighting.
Focused.
Yeah, Rosalie is like, y'all stop fighting. See, they just playing right now, but when they be a little too much, you know what I mean, you'll see they point, when they be out of control.
I may, have some experience taking care of children. This won't be a problem.
Please, be my guest. Aw. Look at this little blonde cutie.
Come on here, little one. See, you wouldn't hurt a fly, would you?
And a 1, 2, 3. Knew him. That's gotta hurt.
Rosalina!
And the snake.
Whoa, you're doing better than I thought. I think it's time for a timeout.
Yeah,
I believe
time
you're
out.
right.
Yeah, if I made a mess in my parents' house, they would ground me for it, or beat the brakes off me. Yeah, just kidding though. But they'll be upset though. But luckily, I never do something like that.
cake.
Are you sure about that? They're gonna be free any moment.
No way!
I can't believe this power.
How did they? What do we do? We tried everything. These kids are demon spawns.
A flashback when her mom used to sing to her as a child.
Not everything. My mother used to do this for me before I went to bed every night.
A super attack when, like in Super Smash Bros, she'd be singing and dancing and then play everybody to sleep. And Peaches will fall out to the sky.
Sleep tight, my angels, the night.
She got a nice voice.
The day is over, your bed shall call. Your eyes are tired, not wide awake. Come now, my children, no need to seek. Forget your worries, no need to fear. No evil enters when Mom is here. You played all day and deserve
Get a little sleepy.
a break.
Yeah, sleepy. Sleepy. This is kind of like Smash Ultimate, Smash Ultimate right here, or Smash Bros in general. Sleepy. Sleepy. I'm just messing with y'all. He didn't make me sleep. They're trying to be funny.
Absolutely brilliant. What happened? Morning, girls. I'm glad to see you're awake. I made these for you. Just a little thanks for helping me out. I'm really lucky to have friends like you.
No problem, Peach.
Wait, where are the boys? Nessa's mother just swung by and picked them up. I told her they were the most perfect little angels.
No, I'm actually gonna miss them. Despite, destroying half your castle.
Yeah, I'm sure they'll be back soon.
Good morning, ladies. My name is Madame Brood. Charmed, I'm sure. I couldn't
She kind of look like a Medea.
help but overhear how well of a job you've done with your
Yeah, she probably sound like Medea a little bit.
little baby.
Or Shanae from Martin. From the TV show Martin.
Babysitting service and just had to inquire. So I decided to drop off my little broodies. They're absolute angels, I assure you.
Well, thank you. We just finished a job and we're really tired.
Oh, yes, excellent. Let me introduce you to my little darlings.
But
Aw, come on, girl. Relax. How much more trouble could a couple of bunnies be?
Oh, and by the way, they invited their little friends along with them for a play date. If you don't mind. Come now, children!
There's gonna be more time. All right, you guys, that's it for today's video, and this has been a funny episode. You know, this is funny and hilarious at the same time. And the original video is in the link description. I want y'all to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace out.